Confession time. I'm just your average cook, but I do love eating well. Without spending forever in the kitchen. If it's not quick, I'm not making it. I see you sharing all those homemade flavor poppin' dishes.
With StudioLink Recipe, I have all the ingredients to my favorite recipes delivered right to my door. This is a service you can offer to your audience too.
And I need you to create a weekly meal plan for me that includes your recipes so I know exactly what I'm cooking for the week. With StudioLink Recipe, you can share your recipes, set your own paywall, and even publish your weekly meal plans. Oh, and you can even earn income by offering ad space to the restaurants you feature. I'd love to work with you and set up and optimize your StudioLink.